Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Nelly and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share natural hair care videos, hairstyles and all. And you're welcome to join the family by hitting the red subscribe button, turning on the post notification bell so you'll be the very first to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much guys for tuning in today. All right, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this really cute twist hairstyle that I decided to make for myself. It's been a very long time since I attempted making hairstyles for myself like this. It's been a very long time, I can't even remember. So but anyway, I decided to try it today and you guys are going to join me. Let's do it together. Okay, so let's go. So I first of all took down the hair. I washed my hair about 2 days ago and I put my hair into those chunky braids. I took them down first of all before I started making the hair. So when I was about to start, I didn't want to take everything all down at once because I really do not want my hair to shrink so much. So I was trying to manage the shrinkage by not taking down all sections at once, but at some point I realized that I just had to take down those sections, so I went ahead to do that. After taking down those sections of my hair, I proceeded to braiding from the back. I twisted the front at first, but it wasn't really giving, so I'm going to take that down later. I was trying to do a little length check, and guys, I don't understand my hair growth anymore. I think I have gone wrong at some point. Not I think, actually I have. I'm going to give you guys the full gist later, but I'm trying to correct all of that right now. Not going to be easy, I know at all. It can never be easy, but a girl has to do what she gotta do, so yes, I'm going to start taking good care of my hair once again like I used to before now. So I took down all sections and then I began braiding from the back. The plan, guys, was to start braiding from the back and braid just 3 at the back, and your girl hit the nail on the head, guys. Usually whenever I want to make my hair like this, I usually have a mirror in back and in front of me, but today while I was making this hairstyle, I did not even have a mirror in front, let alone the one in back. But I still did this hairstyle and it came out nice, like came out well, and I was so happy. When I checked the back of the hair after braiding it in a video clip, I loved it so much and I was so impressed with myself. You all can see for yourselves, guys. Go and check out this twist from the back. Check out the pattern. It's so neat and it's given, and I'm so impressed with myself. In fact, at the time I finished the entire hair, I loved it so much. I really wasn't expecting what I got from this hairstyle, but everything was given. So for each section I would pat it out, apply my leave-in conditioner, and then brush this to help it detangle. Washed my hair, I already detangled, but I also wanted to just detangle a bit much more because I'm going to have this hairstyle locked in for at least 2 weeks or more. I hope not to do more, actually. I hope to just do 2 weeks of carrying this hairstyle. So I'm going to have this on for 2 weeks, so it's just good that I detangle properly, okay, so I do not have lots of knots and all while I'm trying to twist this hair and encounter lots of breakage. So go ahead, do the same thing, and as you're twisting down, if you have a very stubborn hair like mine, though my hair is not stubborn, it used to get odd. Okay, but whatever kind of hair type you have, ensure you're also detangling as you twist downwards so that it doesn't shrink or tangle up at the ends. Okay, so I went ahead to do this, and that was it basically, and I twisted all sections of my hair up. At some point, guys, girl was hungry, so she just had to get food to eat. Oh my god, my sister prepared this beautiful coconut rice. My sister is actually a food vendor, so yes, she sells this really great coconut rice. I know some people will say, nobody has the best coconut rice, only my mother. Well, my sister has the best. All right, so anyways, I just had to eat at some point before I went back to continue my hair. And in no time, guys, I finished all section. Can you see that beautiful clear part on my scalp? Can you? Oh my god, this was giving. I loved it so much. Like I said earlier in the earlier part of this video, it's been a very long time since I had my hair twisted like this in chunky twist. I did mini twist sometime in April, and I carried it for about a month, and I didn't really like the outcome, though it saved my hair from manipulation and all. But then when it was time to take it down, it took me a whole lot of hours to take it down, and I didn't like that. So I know that I'm not going to do that again, except if I have help from someone to help me take it down. So anyways, after twisting everything, I went ahead to apply some oils to my scalp to help prevent dried scalp, and also to help my hair grow, because this hair oil is a blend of different hair oils that I mixed together to apply to my scalp, just to help my scalp stay nourished and feeling good. Okay, so I went ahead to just apply that. I also give my scalp I gave my scalp a gentle massage, and that was it basically. I also went ahead to apply some oils to the strands of my hair to help seal in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner to my hair, so my hair doesn't dry out fast. Okay, number one, oh my god, why do I hush? The number one enemy of natural hair is hair dryness. If your hair dries out really fast and you don't moisturize really quickly or as often as you can, you're going to end up with pretty much dried hair. And you know what's going to happen? Your hair is just going to be breaking off like biscuits. Okay, so one way to help your hair grow, help your hair stay healthy, is to ensure that you moisturize using the LOC or the LCO method, whichever one that is good for you or whichever one you like to use. Okay, and also ensure that you seal in the moisture. It is one thing to apply the moisture, and it's another thing to seal in the moisture. So that's why it's very important that you get to use an oil or a butter or something to seal in the moisture. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you did find this video very helpful. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below in the comment section, and do share this video. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Love you all. Bye.